Good afternoon, Kinto, and welcome to Gates of Stevenage. My name is Chris and I'm the technician working on your vehicle today. As part of the service, we offer a free complimentary vehicle health check just to highlight any issues or concerns found on the vehicle. We'll begin at the passenger side front tyre, where we have an outer tread depth of 6.2mm of tread, inner tread depth of 6.4mm and a centre tread depth of 6.5. The legal limit in the UK is 1.6 and we usually recommend replacement tyres at around 3mm, so at the moment this tyre is all okay, doesn't require any attention and the tyre sidewall is all in good condition. Leading back through to the underside, we have your lower suspension arm just here, drive shaft, CV boot, brake caliper, brake hose, shock absorber and spring. Everything all in good condition, no signs of any leaks or concern. Leading across the underside of the vehicle, we've got your gearbox just here, along with the sump pan of the engine. Everything absolutely fine, no sign of any leaks. Across to the driver's side, where we have your lower suspension arm, CV boot and drive shaft, brake caliper, brake hose, shock absorber and spring. Again, everything on this side all okay, no sign of any issues or concerns. The driver's side tyre now, we have an outer tread depth of 6.6mm of tread, inner tread depth of 6.3 and a centre tread depth of 6.7. So this tyre again, same as the other side, it is all okay for you, doesn't require any attention. The outer tyre sidewall again all in good condition. In regards to the brakes on the vehicle, they're located just up inside there for you. And if I pop our measuring tool in here, like that, we have a measurement reading of 6mm, indicating that the brake pads are approximately 70% worn, so they would recommend that they are replaced within the next month, just to avoid them going metal to metal with the brake discs. And leading through to the brake disc, you can see here we are measuring on the brake discs, and if we pull that on there, they're reading at 31.8mm. Minimum discard thickness of brake discs on the Transit Custom is 30mm, so they're all okay at this stage and don't require any attention. Leading down the vehicle now, we have your exhaust system just here, along with your fuel tank, and then obviously fuel lines just up here. Again, everything all okay and as it should be. Leading down to the driver's side rear tyre now, we have an outer tread depth of 7.1mm of tread, inner tread depth of 7.1 and a centre tread depth of 7.5. So this tyre again all in good condition, doesn't require any attention. The tyre sidewall again all okay for you as well. In regards to the brakes on the rear of the vehicle here, they're located again just up inside here. And if I pop our measuring tool in there and up against them, we have a measurement of 10mm, indicating the rear brake pads are approximately 20% worn. So at the moment they don't require any attention and they are all okay. Leading to the inside now, where we've got the brake disc again located just inside here for you. And if we pop our measuring device in there, we have a reading of 14mm. Minimum discard thickness of brakes is 13mm on the rear, so the brake discs are also in good condition and don't require any attention at this stage. Then we just have your rear suspension components. We have your leaf spring just here, obviously your brake caliper and brake hose there. The only thing to advise to you is the rear bump stops are quite heavily perished and worn, so I would recommend that they are replaced while the vehicle is here with us today. So we have your shock absorber just here, all okay for you. Leading across the rear axle, everything all okay. Just to bring to your attention again, the rear bump stop on the passenger side again, would recommend that that's replaced while the vehicle's with us today. Shock absorber all okay, and leaf spring again all okay for you. Leading across to the passenger side rear tyre, we have an outer tread depth of 7.9mm of tread, inner tread depth of 8.2mm and a centre tread depth of 8.2mm. So this tyre is all okay and the tyre sidewall all in good condition, no attentions required. Now to lead on to the spare wheel of the vehicle, located just here, where we will get a reading for you of 9mm. So this tyre again all in good condition and doesn't require any attention. The only other advisories to bring to your attention from this video is the driver's door check strap is quite heavily worn and is creating a knocking noise when opening. I'd recommend that the fuel filter is replaced while the vehicle is with us today. There is a slight crack in the windscreen, so that will require a new windscreen replacement. And the only other advisory to bring to your attention is the rear trim located just here is all broken above the number plate, so I'd recommend that that's replaced as well while it is with us. But that concludes the end of the video, so once again I'd like to thank you for using Gates of Stevenage. A service advisor will be in contact with you shortly.